Yeah.
Baby, Monday morning, drag my feet. Same old grind, same routine. Clock in early, clock out late. Chasing food on the plate.
Boss man said just one more task. Smile wide behind the mask. Dreams move back till Friday night, just to keep my future tight.
Sweat by my brow, bills by my mind, but me still stay on the grind. Me work all week just to breathe easy Sunday. From sunrise straight till runway. Me work all week, but not lazy, me not weak. Just tryna make ends meet. Most are steady, no retreat. Me work all week.
Buzz ride long through city street, counting coins before me eat. Phone buzz low, pocket dry, still me hold me head up high.
Me know this season not forever. Hard days shape me better. From overtime to double shift, me build my life brick by brick.
My tired yes, but me focused more.
Me see what me working for. Me work all week.
For the rent and the light bill, for the dreams me hold still.
Me work all week. From Monday blues to Friday peak.
I'm strong, don't feel weak. Every sacrifice unique.
Me work all week. One day me not have to rush. One day me gon' move with us. But till that day me stay discreet, planting seeds beneath my feet.
Success not come from wish, it grow from grind like this. So me push through heat and sleep.
Work all week, me work all week. Still grateful for the chance. Every small advance all week. Hard times try test my peak, but me not turn defeat. Me earn every bite me eat. Me work all week. Friday night, Friday night. Work all week, me work all week. Friday night, Friday night. Friday night, me still dreaming.